This is how I make my pot sticker. You just need carrot, cabbage, egg, cilantro, green onion, ginger, the pot sticker wrap, grind chicken, grind pork, and all that. Just marinate it with black pepper, a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of sugar, and you're ready to make your pot sticker. So this is how it's supposed to look, and I am on my third one. So you just put meat like that, and then just edge the edge of the corner with eggs, and then you wrap it up, and then you just squeeze on the side to make kind of like a design, and voila, there you go, your pot sticker. That's it. We'll see how it's gonna taste later when I